Use tall for people, trees, and buildings measured from the ground up, and use high for things far above the ground, like mountains, planes, balloons, or ceilings. Number one, the mountain is so blank, I can't see the top. Mountains reach far above the ground, so the better word here is high. Number two, the plane is flying very blank in the sky. A plane isn't measured from the ground up like a person or a tree. It's way above the ground. That means we say the plane is high in the sky. Number three, wow, this is a blank building. Buildings rise from the ground upward, so we describe them as tall buildings. Easy one. Number four, that basketball player is really blank. We are talking about a person measured from the ground up. People are tall, not high, so the answer is tall. Number five, the red balloon floated blank into the sky. The balloon itself isn't tall, but when it floats, it goes high into the sky. So we say the red balloon floated high into the sky. Again, use tall for people, trees, and buildings measured from the ground up. And use high for mountains, planes, balloons, ceilings, high above the ground. Now it's your turn. Do 5 more questions on your own. Write the answers in the comments and check the answers near the end of the video. And hey, I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work hard making these lessons for you, so please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.